Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, respected professor and fellow colleagues. I'm honored to be here today to present the proposal for my thesis titled The Influence of Compensation and Job Stress on Job Satisfaction with Work Motivation as an intervening variable study on employee of PT Nagamas Motor Garden. Supervisor Lecture Prof. Dr. Kori Yohana MM and Prof. Dr. Saparudin Mukhtar SE MSI. Chapter 1 Introduction. Background problem. Technology and compensation business in the automotive industry. Business compensation is getting to their scale and responsive employee are required scale and responsive to technological change. The role and job satisfaction of employee is very important for to success the company. Job specification is important factor. Job specification is a key indicator of the company's success and the main trigger of employee performance, which is influenced by salary, promotion, coworker supervision, and job security, and is very important to stay employee by providing motivation to work hard. This certification at PT Nagamas Motor Garden. Promotion are often based on personal growth, leading to dissatisfaction and low productivity. This certification issue and their impact. This certification reduces collaboration and innovation and is forced by works conflict and insecurity. Research made initial observation with research activity and interview based on the results of the interview the average percentage. Job certification with coworkers and superior of PT Nagamas Motor Garden from 2009 until 2023 is fluctuating. The overall average percentage of the range 31% until 80% is scored good. What is the reality? Number one, promotion and rewards no based on performance. Position are first based on personal relationship, not competence. HE staff are unlikely to be promoted or rewards. Result is low motivation and job satisfaction. Worst test staff loss motivation, experience work stress, and often resign. Every year, there are massive opening for staff position. Attendance and performance issue. Repeat tardiness, manipulation of the fingerprint system, and high absence, sick leave, family interests are explained with no deterrence effect. Employee attendance recapitulation data PT Nagamas Motor Klaten. Why does this happen? Problem indication, like unexplained, absent and tardiness indicates low motivation. Number two, the certification with compensation and working condition affect motivation. Effect of compensation for an position approach. Compensation increase stabilification and motivation. Compensation is the main motivator for employee to improve performance. Work stress, high rate of absence and sickness are indicative of work stress due to work-life imbalance. And manage stress, they decrease productivity, motivation, and increase turnover. Work motivation. Low motivation increase absence and turnover. Motivation is influenced by compensation, work environment, and social factor. The pre-survey was conducted on 330 employees at PT Nagamas Motor Klaten. Research analyzed that many respondents choose work motivation as the variable that most influence job certification because the average respondent said that limit career development cause employee to be less motivated had a negative impact on job certification. In addition, the lack of recognition and appreciation. Employees then do not feel appraised for their assessment, thus losing motivation and reducing job certification. Second, research analyst compensation was identified as a significant factor affecting job certification due to composition that does not reflect workload and unfair in the distribution of incentive. Number three, respondents selects job stress as effective job certification because they feel pressure by an unfavorable work environment, unsportive work environment, and lack of control with workload. In addition, that pressure of sales target that continue to increase every month cause continuous work stress and has a negative impact on mental health. Research making over observation. Obtain information on employee laziness at work as evidenced by the process PT Nagamas Motor Klaten employee attendance recapitulation data. There are many employees who are often absent from work either without informants or illness. Employees who often complain compensation hermes that there is no promotion even though they have worked for years and tried to meet sales target. The result of data collection show that there are three interrelates and reinforcing factor in the context of job certification, namely work motivation, compensation, and job stress. Hacks for motivation and for fair compensation can help reduce for stress and increase employee job certification. On the other hand, if work stress is not under control, work motivation also discretion compensation becomes no worse than work. Table research gave previous research. Based on the research gap, it is concluded that compensation, work stress, and work motivation have an influence on job certification. Job certification show research are interested in further research with the research title The effect of compensation and job stress on job certification with work motivation as an intervening variable study on employee of PT Nagamas Motor Klaten. This is problem identification. This is problem formulation and research objectives. Research benefits, territorial benefits, number one. Number three, practical benefits. Number three, methodology benefit. Capture two, literature review. Supporting theory. Grand theory, organizational behavior, calculate, middle range theory, job certification, applied theory, compensations, work stress, and motivation, work motivation. This is called with conceptual diagram. Job certification in the research of a combination of various interests, factor, and aspect that create an ideal work environment where employee feel motivated and able to contribute optimally. Job certification is not only important for the well-being of individual employee, but also for the success and productivity of the company. Work motivation, professor, work motivation is the internal and external force that drive a person to act or behave in a certain way at work. It includes a strong desire and the drive to achieve company goals, create a healthy work environment, and increase employee happiness. Compensation is important, but of human resource management, which includes not only financial aspect but also various form of reward and opportunity that can increase employee motivation and performance. Job stress is a situation where a person feels physically and mentally stressed due to excess job demands and for work environment pressure, difficult circumstances, and cannot be immediately eliminated. Relationship between variable. In the study, the relationship between compensation, work stress, work motivation, and job certification is expressed by integrated the identification theory, the effect of compensation on job certification. Adequate compensation meet basic needs and contributes to employee happiness at work. Maslow, 1050, 1054. The effect of job stress on job certification. Job stress can lead to burnout and disgrace motivation, which negatively affect job certification. Hasbert et al. 1095. The role of work motivation as an intervening variable. Work motivation explains how rewards and job stress affect job certification. Employees who are motivated by fair and supportive work environment are likely to feel stable with their job. Even when they are under high level of stress, job motivation acts as a leg that strengthens the positive influence of rewards on job certification and reduce The negative influence of job stress. Previous research. Uh, this is previous research. Hypothesis formulation. H1 until H7. Chapter 3 methods research. Times and place of research. The research was conducted at PT Nagamas Motor Klaten. May 2024 initial observation. Juni 2024 title submission. July and Augustus 2024 making chapter 1 and until chapter 3. September 2024 proposal seminar and revision. September until October 2024 making chapter 4 and data collects. October 2024 data processing. November 2024 final session. Research design. A quantitative research design is a plan or strategy used to collect, analyze, and interpret quantitative data. Design quantitative research to objectively analyze numerical data. Focus the effect, composition, and job stress on job stratification with motivation as an intervening variable study on employee PT Nagamas Motor Klaten. Method, sample selection, data collection, statistical analysis, objective identify pattern of relationship between variable and make valid prediction. Type and source of research data. Primary data for the study were 128 employees. Secondary data from books, journal, company document, and website. The data source, the research is the result of questionnaire of PT Nagamas Motor Klaten employee. To observe primary data research instrument are used. This research instrument use a Likert scale. Likert scale is a method for measuring as person attitude, opinions, and perception of a phenomenon or object. Respondents are asked to indicate their level of agreement with a series of statements with response option. There are 5 Likert scale category. Population 189 employee and 128 employees. Solving formula with confidence level A 5% Sugiono. This is instrument development. Data collection technique, survey, questionnaire distribution, literature review. Data analysis technique, data processing and data analysis in this study use structure equation modeling. The use of SEM models, the relationship between let variable and measure variable with a combination of path analysis and confirmatory factor. The use of SEM model, the relationship between latent variable and measure variable with a combination of path analysis and confirmation factor. Set of analysis models, design, validity, and reliability testing, structural model evaluation, involves outer and inner model analysis. Outer model analysis, reflective or formative construct. Reflective indicator reflect the construct, formative indicator accept the construct. Validity and reliability, convergent reliability, AV, discriminant validity and reliability, but significant test stroke post-traffic having insignificant indicator and can be removed. Inner model analysis, path coefficient, R square, effect size, predictive relevance. Testing hypothesis, direct impact, number one path coefficient, and p-value. Indirect impact, the impact of independent variable v median. Thank you to the estimate supervisor, examiners, and all participants for taking the time to attend my presentation. I greatly appreciate the feedback and suggestion that will be provided as they will greatly assist in refining my research. Once again, thank you for your attention and the opportunity to present. I'm not ready to receive any question and constructive input from you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.